हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू राहगीर इंडिया डिफेंस अड्डा, जहां पर हम आपको एसएसबी के लिए फुल ट्रेनिंग एंड गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं। दोस्तों, हाल ही में हमने एसएसबी गाइडेंस के कुछ कोर्सेज शुरू किए थे जो बहुत अफोर्डेबल हैं और जिसमें हम एसएसबी की कंप्लीट आपको जानकारी दे रहे हैं, लाइव प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं, जहां पर आपका इंडिविजुअल साइको एनालिसिस टेस्ट होता है। उसके बाद आपको टीएटी, वैट, एसआरटी की गाइडेंस, कोचिंग और ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, जहां पर आप पुराने एसएसबी से रिलेटेड इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ डेली बात कर सकते हैं। लाइव आपकी इंटरेक्शन होती है और आपके हर वर्ड के ऊपर आपको फीडबैक दिया जाता है। हमारे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर कोर्स करके गए हैं, उन्होंने अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस पाया है और वो अब काबिल समझते हैं अपने आप को कि एसएसबी में जाकर वो अपने आप को क्लियर कर सके। दोस्तों, आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के फीडबैक पढ़ सकते हैं, हमारी वेबसाइट में जाकर आप उन्हें देख सकते हैं, उनके वीडियो सुन सकते हैं। और हम सिर्फ हवा में ही बातें नहीं करते हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने काफ़ी अच्छा करना शुरू किया है एसएसबी में। और आप यहाँ पर जो पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, यही ऋषभ हैं जो कि 9 बार जाकर एक अच्छी एकेडमी से कोचिंग लेने के बाद भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन आज उन्होंने एसएसबी क्लियर किया है और वो जल्दी ही एकेडमी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। हमारी ऑनगोइंग गाइडेंस के तहत जो ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जाती है, उसका वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं ताकि आप इसका फायदा उठा सकें। Okay guys, today we are going to talk about GPE, that is group planning exercise, and this is one of the most important parts of your GTO part. Okay, GTO has got your basic tasks like half group tasks, command tasks and other tasks, and then one is lecturate, and the last one is your group discussion. So like your group discussion, group planning exercise is also very important, because in this there are many things which we look into you, like your experience, your performance in the group, how you handle pressure, how you make plans. All those things are given in group planning exercise. So today, initially, I'll brief you a little bit about GPE, and then I will give you a narration. I'll tell you a story. I'll give you a task. That task you'll have to do it. Let me share the screen for you. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is your group planning exercise. First thing is, this is second activity in GCO test series. Okay, there's something there in SSV. When you will be there, there'll be a sort of model. In that model, you will be shown this exercise. The GTO will talk to you. He'll show you, okay, this is a model. And in this, you have to arrive at a conclusion. Like in group discussion, most of you are fighting amongst yourself and you don't give a conclusion. But here, you have to formulate a plan and give it to us. Without plan, it's not accepted. This complete test of GP is conducted in 5 stages. Okay, in stage 1, you will be explained a model. Firstly, like normal, a sand model is there or a cloth model is there, or normally it's a test model in which he will tell you, okay, this is the model. In second stage, he will read a story from the card. Okay, normally a card is there. He will give a story. He'll read it out, and you are also given that card on your chairs. So आप सब जब वहां बैठे होंगे तो आपको एक कार्ड दिया जाएगा. GTO will also speak to you. He will explain you, and then you will have 5 minutes to make note of that card. After 5 minutes, those cards are taken back. ठीक है, आपको you can't write or make notes out of those cards. So mentally you have to keep whatever has been told to you in your brain. So those 5 minutes, you see that, read the story and make the notes in your card, in your mind. And then thereafter, when you have seen the sand model or the cloth model or the model which is given there, you have read the story, then you are asked to write your answers, your solutions on a sheet of paper. So you are given total 10 minutes to write that on sheet of paper, and after 10 minutes, your written work is taken back. So here in today's thing also, I will give you, once I have given you narration of, given you the sand model and the narration, thereafter I'll give you 10 minutes to write your solutions. You write your solution and post them on WhatsApp. You write on your paper or you type it, but make sure that you do that in 10 minutes and it's for your own good. It's not to show to anybody. And then stage 4, I will tell you to discuss amongst yourselves. Okay, you discuss amongst yourselves, come back to a plan, and then you present that plan to us. Okay, got it? So these are 5 stages of GPE, group planning exercise. ठीक है, आपको what you need to do is, किस तरह से करना है, how you should be doing it. First is, आपको जो होता है, like in a story, we will be showing you some problems. Okay, there will be 3, 4, 5 problems. What you have to do is, you have to list those problems in order of priority. Like priority 1 is this problem, priority 2 is this problem, priority 3 is, so these 3-4 priorities you have to list it. And then आपने देखना है, you have to see the number of resources with you. Like आपको क्या दिया, what all is there with you, like how many people you are there. Okay, then you have to see is what are the resources. Do you have a vehicle? Do you have a boat? What do you have? What you have, those things you have to check it up in your, the type of resources what you have with you. Okay, these are the resources, this is the problem, and for each problem, these many resources you have. And then you have to write your solution for each problem. Okay, and you have to make rough calculations, like time calculations, resource calculations, and how you are going to handle that. ये problem है, this is the problem. For this problem, I'll nominate these people, and they will, from this time to this time, they will do that. And you have to then thereafter handle all these problems in a sequential, the way you want to do it. Okay, and then you have to identify the solutions for all these problems, whatever this thing is there. Normally you will be given 4 problems. Okay, and then you have to give the solution for those problems, and in the end you have to remember the task for which you started. Like you are NCC cadets, you have come there for some task, and then you have to go back. So that task should also be completed, that you should be able to reach at your destination in the given time. Understood? Clear with me? So this is how to approach GP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in the beginning now, okay, I'll give you the situation setting for your current practice, or for your current, the new task what we have written. This is a brand new group planning exercise. This is the first time we're being shared, and you guys are lucky that I'm sharing it with you. So let me give you the exercise. So here you see it is a chemical plant. Okay, there's a chemical plant. There's a chemical well. You can see a chemical well where I've written is a chemical well. Sir. And then this is the complete area is of this chemical plant. Okay, this is the center. This is the chemical plant. If you see that side, far side, east side, there's a sea. And there's one small road which goes through here. And this side, on the rightmost side, is a lab and a mess, cadets mess. Okay, let me just keep it this way. So here this side is the cadets mess, or the mess of this chemical plant. And there's some buildings here. There's one lab here. And at this place, there's a rowing boat and one motor boat which is kept here. So if this road is disrupted at any given time, yahan se, from this rowing boat and motor boat, you can go and cross that side. And this side is the jetty where you can put it up. And this place you can see is a hospital, and this side is police post. So this side also people are there. This side also people are there. There is a chemical plant in the center of this. Okay, got it? Are you able to see the what all is there in this? Okay. If any doubt, you can ask me and check it up with me. Okay. So this is the basic setting. Now I'll tell you what is the story. Situation is, gentlemen, that what happened is, you are a group of NCC cadets. I'll tell you the number. Aap log, you have gone for a visit to this chemical plant. Normally NCC cadets go for various visits. So you're going for NCC visit, and you are here in this NCC camp. There's a mess here, and you guys are there in the NCC mess here. You're having some tea and all. So at that time, when you are having tea, you hear a explosion. There's a contamination. There's a well here. There's an explosion in this well, and the chemical complete plant gets the effect of explosion, and the chemical leakage takes place. Where you see the red area, this red area is the one where the leakage has taken place. Okay. In this leakage, there's a 5 people, civilians who are at this plant. All those 5 people are dead. Then there are 15 civilians who are there in this area. They are injured. And this red is a complete contamination zone. This side is a hospital, and this road which was to go from this area to this area, this is cut off. So as of now, there is no connection from this side to that side. The road doesn't take place. It doesn't exist. You can go from it, from the sideways, but that takes around 4 hours. The route is there. The only route available is now through this motor boat and the rowing boat, from where you can go to the hospital. So this is the setting. You are in the NCC camp. Explosion takes place. This is the breach area. The red area is where the explosion, the chemical breach is there. 15 civilians injured, 5 civilians dead, and you can't go that side. There's a hospital. Okay. And you have a resources, one motor boat and rowing boat. Now come ahead. This is the complete details. A group of 10 NCC students who have gone for a visit to chemical plant. Your visit is for 1 day, and in the end, you have to come back and attend closing ceremony at 1900 hours at NCC base. So at 7 o'clock in the evening, you should be back. When you are having tea at the mess at 11:30 hours, 11:30, remember, you heard an explosion at the main plant, which was just 200 meters away from where you were having tea. You had the liaison officer with you in addition to 2 mess waiters. So at that place where you are having tea, there is one officer from the refinery and 2 waiters. This liaison officer, he sees that there is some explosion which has taken place. He goes to the chemical factory and comes back after 30 minutes. And he tells you कि क्या हुआ है वहां पर. He tells you that the chemical plant has got damaged in an explosion leading to leakage of gases. 5 civilians have died on the spot and 15 others are injured who need immediate evacuation and medical care. Okay, so 15 injured need immediate evacuation and care. Now next is the route to the hospital to the other side of the plant is contaminated and has been cut off, the road route. So only sea route is available. For sea route, you have one speed boat with capacity of 10 people and one rowing boat with capacity of 12 passengers. Okay, so speed boat can take 10 people, rowing boat can take 12 people. But in a rowing boat, since you have to do chappu, you have to do the rows, there are 4 people who are required to operate it. Then you have 5 protective suits, because if you have to take out injured from the chemical plant, you need protection suits. So you have 5 protection suits by which you can wear them and get the people taken out. And then speed post has a driver. So speed post has a driver. For a rowing boat, you will have to earmark people from your group. Then is the sea route to the nearest hospital from where you go by boats. Boats take 30 minutes by sea boat and 1 hour by rowing boat. Okay, so rowing boat will take 1 hour, speed boat 30 minutes. Contamination is likely to spread in your area in next 2 hours. So from now till you have only time for 2 hours to move out and get the injured out. If injured are not given medical care in next 1 hour, they may die. Okay, he requests you to evacuate the injured and dead to the hospital. These guys tell you, and there's no fear of contamination once injured or dead are out of the contaminated area. Okay, so immediately as of now, once you take them out of the contaminated area, you have some time with you. Next is, moment he is telling you, since he had gone to gas area, he faints after giving you this information. In the meantime, waiter tells you that he has received a call from security head that few miscreants want to take advantage of the situation and planning to steal precious equipment from the lab. The lab which is next to your mess, from there they want to steal some equipment. The security can't reach there in next 4 to 5 hours because they have to take the longer route. The waiter wants you to help you to guard the lab. So he was requesting you that please send some people for me to guard the lab. You are expecting around 5 to 6 miscreants with sticks to come there. And the second waiter remembers that he had a pet dog in the area and is apprehensive that he may go to contaminated area, and he requests you to help in finding it. So he wants you to find his pet dog also. And time now, once this all has happened, is 12:15 hours. And now you have only 1 hour 45 minutes left to evacuate the injured, or else they may die. Okay, you have to take them to the hospital. Okay. So this is your complete situation. Now I give you 5 minutes to understand the situation and then come back to me if you want to know anything else. तो दोस्तों, आप ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज के सिचुएशन देख चुके हैं. आप अपने टाइम पर इसे सॉल्व करें और हमसे इसका सॉल्यूशन शेयर कर सकते हैं. अगर आप में से कोई एसएसबी के लिए ट्रेनिंग लेना चाहता है तो मोस्ट वेलकम. आप हमें इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकते हैं और हम आपको पूरी जानकारी इसके बारे में प्राप्त करेंगे. प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो विद ऑल दोज हु आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. जय हिंद, जय भारत.